everybody, Osei Dwomoh back here again with another video. Well, it's a review, and today we're going to review the JBL Charge 4 wireless Bluetooth speakers. My dad got this at PC Richard's Son on Black Friday, somewhere around 179-ish. I don't know what the real price is because I can't remember it, but we bought this on Black Friday. And not only did we buy that, we also bought in JBL endorsement earbuds, the Live 220 BT wireless earbuds, which I reviewed, and the JLab JBuds Air True Wireless Signature earbuds. This is for my sister, this is for my dad, and this is for me. And if you want to go check out this video about these earbuds, there's a link in the description. I don't know if I can use info card because of copper and YouTube, but I'm not going to talk about way too much about copper, so let's continue reviewing. So what you have here is the JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speakers. It's a bluish color, so you got your JBL logo. This button is for JBL Connect. Your volume up and down buttons. Your play button. Also a pause button for music and videos. I tried that and it worked. It's kind of like a remote. You got your power button and your Bluetooth pairing button. And you got the Charge 4 print and some regulatory. So what you got here is a USB-C port, a headphone jack port. Probably it's for like, not for headphones, it's like for like lining, I don't know, but here's your headphone jack, I guess. You got your USB port. And what's interesting about this USB port is that it can charge your device, your cell phone. So I got an iPhone 5S here. It used to be my daily driver, but I don't use this anymore. I was trying to give this away to someone in Ghana, but I think that hasn't been achieved yet. But my dad bought a phone recently at Best Buy, which is a blue Vivo V5, and not only did he bought that phone. Not only did he buy that phone, he also bought the same exact phone that I got. The same exact phone. Even my mom also got the same exact phone. So yeah, we must be a Mo trio or something. That's just crazy. So anyways, back to the review. So yeah, this is like very awesome because I cannot believe that JBL or Harman, which is its parent company, can add in a battery that has like more milliamp hours and cram it into this. It's like a power bank, it's like a power bank, but a Bluetooth speaker. It's like a power bank and a Bluetooth speaker in one, and made by a quality company. Like, sure, there's Bose, Ultimate Ears, Skull Candy, Sonos, and other companies, but JBL puts all the good stuff in. There's also the base, where you got your right is a JBL logo, and your left is a exclamation mark. I don't know. And here's what the box looks like. As you can see, you got the JBL logo, you got Charge 4, and it plays up to $20, I believe. You got your Bluetooth logo here. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. JBL Connect. You can wirelessly links 100 JBL Connect compatible speakers together. So if you have like 3 Charge 4s, you can just link them up and you can have like a party, which is crazy. Probably that could save your Probably it can save You won't want it from like buying a big speaker if you're having a party or something. Just download this app and yeah, go. Yep, and it says here play and charge wirelessly. It says 20 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof. It's a power bank. Yeah, I can't keep on saying. And it has JBL Connect. And this is a Prop 65 one label, but I'm not gonna get sick or something. Okay. There to listen, like it always says. And oh yeah, just bubbles and stuff like that. And all you got is regulatory, and it's surprising that it shows you what's inside the box. So you got this, play and charge wirelessly, and charge 4. And there's nothing in the box. And over here is just some manuals and all of that stuff. So anyways, we're going to move this box out of the way. And let's review this. And I also forgot to mention these lights. These are, you know, how it lights up. So anyways, we're going to test a device that can do this. So yeah, so let's do that. Okay, everybody, so here's what we're going to do. So we're going to test out Bluetooth and if it can charge a cell phone. So right now I got my iPhone 5S. Yeah, it's getting old. And a lightning cable. I also forgot to mention this, the USB-C cable it comes with. So, and my Samsung Chromebook 3. Yeah, I showed it to you guys on my last video. And now I'm going to show it to you on this video. So yeah, I need to enter my password. And then we're logged in, as you can see. So we're just going to power up the machine. I mean the Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, that's stuff. And you press this button, you hold it down, and it pairs. So we're gonna go to the Bluetooth and search up for JBL Charge 4, which is right here. And now I'm gonna connect it. And it's connected. So we're gonna try, or we're just gonna go on YouTube and search up a video, like a music video. Let's see. Let's go to Zad's music. Let's listen to that music like we did for this one last time. And I promise I won't even like sing it up because I know how you, I think you. Make the call. You know how you feel about that. I was like acting way too crazy. So we're gonna listen to this song again. Kovan and La Creme Miracle. Let's try it out. Wow, the sound is beautiful now. Yeah, I gotta move the responses. That's really good. Not too much. I know. If you want earbuds, then see that? It vibrates. The bass vibrates. That's good. pushing my finger. As you can see. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is high quality sounds. Which is so awesome. That's very cool. So, we're gonna test if it charges my cell phone, if I can. My old cell phone, not this one, because I'm recording it. And I probably disturb some people. Hopefully they didn't notice about that. So we're gonna just test if it can charge my iPhone 5S. So we're just gonna open up the flap. And we're gonna connect the lightning cable, the USB, to here. And we're going to take the iPhone and plug it in. Oh my gosh, it just turned on, which is awesome. So yeah, as you can see, it has a full charge. So please, it can like charge us so many phones. But imagine if you have like 2 USBs, like a USB hub, and charge all 4 phones at once. Like, I don't have one because, I don't have one. But I don't know if it will, mess up the port or just fry the speaker entirely. But I don't know. Probably I can check out a YouTube video to see what happens if you have a USB hub, right? If it has 4 USB ports, and it can like, what will happen? Will it fry the USB port or just mess up the speaker or something like that? I don't know. But one port is just fine. It's better to have something that is able to charge. Just look at that, 6%. It's awesome to have something that is able to charge than nothing, because what are you going to do when your phone is running out of battery? And besides, even if you're listening to music on your cell phone on the speaker, you never know your battery will die. So it is amazing that JBL can take a power bank that has more capacity and just cram it into one of these speakers, which is very, very, very awesome. I like this. Bravo, JBL. Or Bravo Harman, since you own it. So as you see right now, it's at 6%, which is actually 7%, and this is very, very amazing. So now, this has the button, right? JBL Connect. This is where you use JBL Connect button. We're not gonna install that because I don't have sure, I do have JBL products, but they're not Bluetooth speakers. They're earbuds. I'm sorry. So this is very, very awesome. So when you unplug it, let's just do that again. You unplug it, yeah, it stops charging. But if you plug it in here, look at that. It charges. That's amazing. That's awesome, because sure, you can charge it with a computer, but this is just very cool. So let's see if we can charge other types of items, like my earbuds, which can work, right, since it's a JBL product. Yep, since it's a JBL product. Yeah, I'm just crazy with JBL. Hopefully it doesn't turn to a JBL household, because so much tech from JBL and stuff like that. So you can just plug it in, and if your earbuds are dying, then don't worry. Your Charge 4 will help you, okay? It will help your devices live once more. And you just plug it in. Oh, dang it. See? It charges, which is so awesome. Yeah. Charging a JBL device on a JBL Charge 4. Yeah, charging JBL Live 220 BT wireless earbuds on a JBL Charge 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker, which is very, very awesome. So, since it can play music, oh, it's just only, very well, and can charge devices. Let's see if we can, plug this into here. Yeah, so let's try that. If we can plug it into a headphone jack. I don't know how you call it. Line in? Just somebody please tell me. What is this called? Like, I know it's like a headphone jack, but what is it actually called? So please leave a comment down below. Alright, so I connected my Chromebook via HDMI to VGA, if you can see. Yeah, since this is a VGA monitor / DVI monitor. But let's see if we can actually play some music here. So let's try that. Get rid of this. Let's see. Taking a long time. Oh! It still works! It's so amazing! Just look at that. The good bass sound. Yes. Let me show it to you. Yeah, you still get bass power. It even works without a cable. Let me show you. I'm like, show it's Bluetooth speaker, but we just want to stretch it, like, stretch the content a little bit. So, oh, it's connected, but it still works. See? Which is very, very awesome. But let's try it again because I'm not sure if it was from the computer or not. But let's see if we plug it in to the. Oh my gosh, it's so difficult to do with a phone. This on a phone. So okay, let me just show it. So let me just let's see. It's like when you open up the flap, you take the cable. Oh my gosh. Okay. So when you plug it in to here, the headphone jack, let's see. Let's see if it's really coming from the computer or not. And I disabled Bluetooth on my computer, so yeah, let's try that. Okay, turn it off. Still get some good kicks. Still got the awesome sound, awesome bass, and also, one thing, you can also charge your phone. Let me show you. Also, charge your phone. And look at it, it's charging. So not only you can listen to music, well, that's like that, but not only you can listen to music, you can play it. Oh, isn't it work like that? See that? Charge your phone while play some music. I wonder if you press this button, will it still work? Play. I guess it cannot do that. But we're going to still try it though. Oh, still loading. Well, So yeah, it doesn't work like that. So what an issue. So yeah, what a problem. But believe me, if you press this button, it works like a remote. It's like a remote. It's like, like this crazy. You got a Bluetooth speaker, power bank, and remote. Sort of like a remote. It's like you can just pause and play. Pause and play. Which is very, very awesome. So yeah, I think that's all we have to review for it, because it's a speaker and I don't know what else to do with it. Well, just play and charge it, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, comment this video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos from Osei Dwomoh. And I'll see you guys. Oh wait, I've also got to tell you happy holidays. My mom set this room up for us because Christmas is coming very, very soon. And yeah, I don't know, tomorrow I'm going to review the J-Labs or the Endurance Sprint, but I don't know. Yes, find out, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.